This is your morning jolt, and yes, we are one day closer to Friday / the weekend, which we should all be very excited about. But right off the bat, I got three things you need to know to get your market day started right. Howard Schultz, news of the day. He announced he's stepping aside as executive chairman shortly. He announced that on Monday evening. Certainly the news of the day on Tuesday morning. People are already speculating as if Schultz will run for president. Looking at the media coverage out there, you would think he already beat Trump by 10 points in the election, and the guy walks on water. Listen, Howard Schultz deserves lots of credit for creating the modern-day Starbucks, changing how we view a commodity. Starbucks has also led a digital revolution in how people interact with a company that offers goods and services, so hat tip to him. But at the end of the day, you have to take a step back and look at how he's leaving Starbucks, still battling, I think, a public perception problem following the incident in Philadelphia. Here's the company, too. I'm going to read off a couple quick stats. Revenue growth has been slowing since 2015. Operating profit margins have started to fall with investments in technology, employees, and rising competition from upstart coffee chains. You know, all those cool hipster joints selling $15 coffees. They're competing with Starbucks. So an argument could be made that a Starbucks shareholder would wish Schultz would at least stay another 6 to 12 months to help right the ship and then go over and, I don't know, try to win the presidency or something. I'm sure we'll hear more from Howard Schultz in the coming days. He really loves doing the media interviews. Next up, Tesla. Tesla is in the spotlight today. More importantly, Elon Musk. It's the company's annual meeting. It will be live streamed on Tesla's website at 3:30 p.m. or just check out on TheStreet.com. We'll be covering it live analysis on our homepage, but also on Twitter. Be all over it. Now, Musk's chairmanship is being challenged, and also the director positions on 3 directors, such as Tesla Elon Musk's brother, Kimball Musk. He's a food entrepreneur. No clue why he's on the board of Tesla. And you have James Murdoch, the Fox media mogul. He's on Tesla's board. He seems very busy with Fox. I don't know what he knows about making electric cars. So certainly there's reason to possibly overthrow the board, a couple members of the board, and possibly split the CEO and chairmanship role for Musk. TheStreet sat down with Whitney Tilson yesterday, longtime value investor / former hedge fund manager. He had very critical comments for Tesla. And I'm going to read a quick quote here from my computer, which you don't see. It's on the side of me. Quote, Tilson tells us, it's now a career risk for people it's a career risk for people to be recommending Tesla, which means Tesla could have trouble accessing capital. And that's right. Now, Tilson is at his height managed $200 million, not a big number, but he's still very much plugged into Wall Street. So if he's hearing that Tesla might be having trouble raising the capital it needs to survive, it's definitely a red flag. Last up, what do we got here? TheStreet's Jim Cramer. He founded the acronym FANG, which is Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. He found that years ago, and now everybody uses it. He found the term I think about earlier this year, Cloud Kings, which reflects the dominance of names like it's Salesforce and Adobe. Now he has a new term I suspect will be used on every Wall Street trading floor very, very quickly. That is INJ FANG. Now, I'm not going to tell you what it is. Head over to our sister publication, Real Money. You can check it out. Fabulous piece by Jim. You definitely need to read it. And before I let you go, I'm going to give you the, according to my notes, the morning jolt lesson of the day. Rising expectations for a company aren't always necessarily a good thing. And I mention that because NVIDIA, a home run position for Jim's Action Alerts Plus member club, and Square are going to open up at about an all-time high today amid the broader rally in tech stocks. And it's important because NVIDIA and Square and a lot of their tech companies are giving presentations at the Bank of America Tech Conference today and the rest of the week. And they enter this with rising expectations. Now, they may give amazing presentations, all these companies, but if they don't absolutely blow the minds of bullish Wall Street, their stock's going to decline, even though the fundamental outlooks of these companies remain very strong. That's a little worrying. You may want to fade this tech rally in some of these very hot names. I'm just saying. Be sure to sign up for the Morning Jolt newsletter. Go to TheStreet.com's homepage, check it out, sign it up, get it to your email box, get it. I'll see you guys later.